If you're a chicken lover, then you need to try this KFC recipe at home. It's easier than you think. First, grab some chicken pieces, drumsticks, wings, whatever you like. Now, let's marinate. Mix buttermilk, salt and pepper in a bowl and soak the chicken for at least 30 minutes. Next, for that signature crispy coating, combine flour, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and a pinch of salt in a separate bowl. Dredge your marinated chicken in the flour mix, making sure it's fully coated. Here's the secret to that perfect crunch double dip. Get back into the buttermilk and then into the flour mix again. Heat up some oil in a deep fryer or large pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your chicken pieces in the hot oil and fry them until golden brown and crispy, about 12-15 minutes. And there you have it. Delicious homemade KFC chicken that's sure to impress. Enjoy your fried feast. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tasty recipes.